Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to appear invisible or offline to your friends in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application and logged into my account. In case you don't know how to, worry not, we have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to appear offline. At the top left, on the navbar, you can see a button like this called as Friends. Click on it right now. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, you can add a friend, edit profile name or avatar, or simply, the thing we are looking for, appear offline or invisible. Select whatever you wish. For now, I want to select invisible. And guys, that is it. That's how we appear invisible or offline in Steam. It's quite easy. In case you want to appear online, simply click on online once again. And that is it guys. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.